If I gave you all my love,
I say, would that make you happy, baby?
would that make you happy?
It don't feel like I'm doing too much.
If I gave you all my love,
It don't feel like we doing too much.
would that make you happy?
It don't feel like we doing too much. It don't feel like we doing too much.
Every time I'm with you,
It don't feel like we doing too much.
every time I'm with you,
It don't feel like we doing too much.
every time I'm with you,
It don't feel like we doing too much.
every time I'm with you. I can give everything to you, baby, when you bring it back to me. But I can't feel this way if you don't feel the same. When I glide, I slide, might slip around. If it come down to it, I'ma give it all. Make sure my mama's straight, now we can ball. Now I'm tryna be low-key and stay away from the bullshit.
We doing too much.
Would them
Bro, Nahmir. I got a headache, bro. Oh, bro.
The worst
Yo.
shit. Bro, Mario, bro. Talk to me, bro.
I just
Talk
wish
to me.
you'd listen.
Is he on definite? Oh my god, that was
Yeah.
so bad. That was
Mario.
so bad.
Bro,
annoying.
that Soul Train shit, bro.
You're annoying. What had a worse release? This or Whole Lotta Red?
Nigga, whole lot of red, bro. This not even that
I
bad.
ain't gonna lie.
No,
Bro.
definitely this.
What had a
Definitely
worse? What had a worse release?
Bro,
I ain't
nah,
gonna lie, bro.
Soul Train, nah, that might actually,
Nah.
nah.
That song is so bad.
Ain't gonna lie, he got Boss from dropping that. I ain't gonna lie to you.
No, bro. Like, there's no way he actually dropped that. Like,
What
who
was
let
this
him
shit?
drop?
They're
Don't they have to
not
get
your
these
mans.
songs approved?
Yeah,
Nah, he chose these songs from. The original track list was not like this, but I don't even know none of these songs like that. For real, bro.
This
Nah,
is
you-
so
wait, hold on.
bad.
I'm not even gonna, I'm just, even though I know the answer, I'm just gonna ask just one, bro, have you ever heard that Soul Train song before?
Honestly, yes, and I told him no.
Oh, this is so bad.
But you know, I ain't gonna lie, I've heard a lot of these old school beats that he's playing, but I didn't think that he would choose the whole album as old school songs.
But
Like when he makes old school music, I'm thinking he's only gonna put one or two on the album, because that's what I told him.
So
Like, yo, just
annoying.
one or two, like.
So annoying. You the reason this shit sounds
What's
like
good,
this.
bro?
No, hell no. I did not approve
He
of
just
this
said he
shit.
told him not to put it on.
Right,
Bro,
I
you know
gotta
what's
get
up?
this
You wanna
nigga-
hear-
nah, keep trying to get this
But
nigga shut
annoying
up.
just said he approved some of them, and he just put like a whole bunch of them.
Nigga, I approve politics, and I did not know the bum was on there. I approve homework, and I approve Wu Wham, and Abasaba and Two Seater. Did not approve none of the rest of the shit.
So what did you
Bro,
approve?
the boy's verse wasn't even bad, bro. He was,
Bro,
he was
the
dragging.
bum is not gonna take you to the Billboard Hot 100. I want this nigga to sell. My nigga,
I mean, yeah.
listen, he had a song with Ludfo, I approved of, not an album. Had a song with YG, approved, not an album. Had a song with Uzi, approved, not an album. You wanna?
That's
Hold on.
just dumb.
Hold
Why
on.
would you not put a song with Uzi on the album?
Bro.
It's mad old.
Hold on.
That's why.
Listen. Do you want to hit? Listen, I'm gonna play a song that I wanted on the album, and y'all might spam L because of the sample in the beginning. But if you hear the whole record, I'm telling you, it's crazy. I'm not gonna link the whole record because I'm not linking the shit, but I'll play you a snippet. Listen to the shit. This is what I want on the album.
know it's
Like
regular
some
to me
shit.
when we get money involved. Now they see me getting chicken, they gon' hate him a ball. Fade tripping off the Sprite, I'm the shit like a star. Better have my paper ready, cause you know I'm a call. I know she wanna fuck, she ain't wearing no drawers. Little light skinned bitch, I'ma get in her jaw. Fuck the whole city up with my gun in the mob. We the ones taking shit, bitch, we need our pride. AK-47 laying on the backseat. Hellcat doing 150 on the back street. How you get this money? That's what everybody asks me. Lil' bro, go and rob them little niggas tryna tax me.
That's what some shit I want it on the
That's
album.
just hard. That's just
That's
hard.
some shit.
That
Hold
was
on.
hard.
You want some
That
more
was
shit I
hard.
want on the album? Hold on. Let me see. Hold on.
Wait, go live. Go live. Go live.
Nah, I ain't even playing all his shit now. Hold on. This shit right here. I said put this shit on the album. Listen to how wavy this is. Listen to this shit. This is wavy.
Soon as a nigga hop out, they like, who is that?
Hey.
Nigga with the foreigns and you know he got the racks. Every time I'm in Atlanta, gotta spin up in that sacks. Hope that
Oh,
hoe
yeah, you
don't
played
push
me
up
this
on me,
before.
better tell that hoe relax.
Soon as a nigga hop out, they like, who is that? Hey, nigga with the foreigns and you know he got the racks. Every time I'm in Atlanta, gotta
spin up in that sacks.
Come on, my nigga. I didn't pick this. I didn't pick this. Trust me. I got. Yo, listen to this. Hold on. You ready? Hold on. Hold on. Gang, gang, gang.
Hey, gang, gang, gang.
Hold on.
Hey,
Hold on.
gang, gang.
I say that AK-47 turn your body to pieces, but it don't heat a nigga up. Just know that chopper gon' freeze him. I be cool and laying locum, take a pig Mona Lisa. But if I ever have a baby, bitch, you know I'ma keep him. Say that AK-47 turn your body to pieces, but
Phil, this is what I. Hold on. Let me see what's some shit in here. Nigga, hold on, you feel me? Even this, some old school shit, but I'm like, yo, this is tough. You feel me? Listen to this shit, man. It's not labeled. He chose the songs. I know he chose them. Hold on.
what you need? I'm that little nigga with them sticks. Bitch, you needed a bag, I'ma make it flip. Quit, I been a man running up them chips. Don't be mad cause I'm up now, you not the one they pick. Bitch, I say
Come on,
what
bro.
you need, I
Stop
get
it.
it fit.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm trying to tell you, chat, bro. Like, trust me, I know this is not labeled. Because I heard all these songs before they were released. And I'm telling you, he loved these records. He loved them. He loved them.
Those songs weren't bad.
He loved them, bro. He loved it.
What? That last two he played, Annoying play was ass. I ain't like him.
No, that very last one was not ass. That very last one was not
He
ass.
tripping. Yo, Chris, appreciate the 4 months. Trust me, he chose these records. Or even the one with oh, I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Love the streams, Brody.
This one, bro. Like, you feel me?
Oh shit! Hold up.
And you know who's on here. I don't even gotta say who's on here. You know who's on here.
Who's on here?
What beat sound like? Come on, bro.
Hey, talk 'em out, cause he ain't decide to walk it out. Snuck the blowers in the party, what they talking about? Hellcat speeding, smoking blood to my face now. Nigga tripping, I won't hesitate to up this tray pound. Fucked off with a pretty bitch.
Like, come on, bro. And you know who's on
One black, these bitches mismatch. My rim blew a kiss at your bitch, she blew a kiss back. Shoot it out with 12, make them bitches call for dispatch.
He was spazzing on
You
that.
feel me? Like,
He was spazzing on that.
Yeah, I heard that.
like, yo, bro, I just like, just let me choose the tracks, bro. Please, just let me choose the tracks, bro. I'm telling you, just let me choose them. I'm telling you, bro. Like, just let me choose the tracks, bro. Like,
I'm not you, A&R. We already know that one's gonna have the hits on it though. Come on, man.
I ain't gonna lie. He had way more shit in the stash, bro. I'm just trying to tell you, bro. Just a lot, bro. Like, bro. Even this one.
But we turn him to a Kit Kat. Big bro tripping, he in a party with a Big Mac. Fuck that tripping, if I can find a word, kiss that. Vision real blurry in a party, but we kill.
Don't stop that, pop that, what's the ticket on your pussy? I caught that, throw that nigga hood up, and drop that. All my niggas in the back, with long straps, all I do is kick shit, like a field goal, thought you get some big clip. It's a deal though, smoking on this kill though, nigga like a real.
Like, come on, my nigga, like, this nigga have mad shit! I'm on fucking tight! I can see why I'm tight! I'm tight!
I'm ready for Rob Ray album, bro. Fuck this shit.
Bro, the YBN mixtape was way better than this.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. What was he on? It was 5.5 out of 16. 2 seaters of W, that's 6.5 out of 17. What is this E40 too short, bro?
Got her hands feeling on my think she's finna two. About my game, you know what it is. Leave you in a ditch. Last summer, nigga scored a point, then he got switched. Bought a chain, I'm gon' blow brains, don't need no assist. Ain't no talking, we be back to back, they know what it is. I'm through that east and I'm just with the guys. know I got that 4-5, so don't be surprised. I had to slow down.
Let me listen to the Fat Boys to see one.
Feel my drift, JB?
You become greater once you focus on what you have to do for your life. You become greater once you perfect your craft to the T. You become great once you hustle hard. You're a winner.
Even in traffic, reflect on my act.
Why you stop this shit so quick?
Fuck no.
Why you stop this shit so quick?
Fuck no.
No, this nigga finna pull his hair out.
Oh.
Bro, it's because Nahmir's better than this, bro. Like, real shit, he really is. That's why I'm hurt, bro, because I know he's better than this. Like, on God, he's better than this. On God, he's better than this, bro.
Wait, bro, waited 4 years for this, man. 4 years for this.
Fat Boy.
Fuck no. Shit, man.
Bro, it's just like, bro. On God, he's better than this, bro. I just feel like, honestly, bro, I feel like Cali changed him, bro.
Nah, he should have dropped this shit on April 1st.
You gotta stop, bro. I got time for jokes, bro. Stop, bro. I got time for jokes. That's the most dick-sucking shit I've ever heard in my life. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's still selling 10. It's definitely selling 10.
Is it though?
Nah, it is. You wanna know why? Abba Stopper's on there, the remix on there, two-seaters on there.
Two-seaters on there. Yeah, it's gonna still stuff.
I'm not gonna lie. They listen to this whole album. They're pulling like 3 songs out of here, bro.
Jumped on April 1st.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie though. It's gonna do like
14.
I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Bro, this shit might not be.
It's not doing 14. Is this nigga trending on Twitter right now?
No. I'll lock in any amount that he's not. And if he is, it's
Uzi's
bad.
trending. Big Sean's trending. Rod Wave's trending. Big Mints is trending.
Big Purr is trending.
Let me see his YouTube numbers. It's been an hour.
The music videos haven't even hit like 5K. I'm pretty sure.
Hold on. Let me look at the comments.
Go to the Soul Train comments. We need to see them.
Nahmir, what you doing? Laughing emoji. Hey, though, not gonna lie, I fuck with the way you experiment with different things. I feel like all rappers should do that. Hello, Yazin, you need to hear this. Who is that?
He's a YouTuber that makes like videos about rappers that fell off.
I can't stop laughing. Bro.